Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what secrets are hidden out there? Welcome to our video, 10 amazing facts about the universe. Get ready for a journey that will pique your curiosity. The first astonishing fact is the size of the universe. The observable universe has a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. Imagine, light traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second would take 93 billion years to traverse it. And that's just the part we can observe. Did you know that there are objects in the universe from which even light cannot escape? That's right, we're talking about black holes. Black holes form from the collapse of massive stars and have such strong gravity that they pull in everything that comes near them, including light. We can only see about 5% of the universe. The rest, 27% is dark matter and 68% is dark energy. Dark matter is mysterious material that does not emit or reflect light, while dark energy is a mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. We're still trying to solve this puzzle. The remnants of light from the Big Bang can still be detected today in the form of cosmic microwave background radiation. This is the oldest light in the universe, giving us clues about how the universe formed and evolved. To date, astronomers have discovered over 4,000 exoplanets, which are planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Some of these may even have conditions that allow for life as we know it. There is a mysterious force pulling galaxies, including our own Milky Way, towards a specific point at millions of kilometers per hour. This force is called the Great Attractor, located about 150 million light-years from Earth. Imagine an object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would have a mass of about 6 billion tons. That's a neutron star, the remnant of a massive star that has gone supernova. Neutron stars are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. The universe has a structure resembling a giant web known as the cosmic web. Galaxies group together to form these filaments, stretching hundreds of millions of light-years with vast voids in between. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe, emitting more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. These bursts are believed to occur when massive stars collapse, or when two neutron stars collide. Our universe has been expanding since the Big Bang occurred about 13.8 billion years ago. This expansion is even accelerating due to the mysterious dark energy. We're still trying to understand what causes this phenomenon. The universe is a place full of mystery and wonder, with many secrets yet to be uncovered. Thank you for joining our journey through 10 amazing facts about the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep getting more exciting content. See you in the next video. Next.